What if I told you you could start a YouTube channel today, grow an audience, and never show your face? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not only possible, it's one of the smartest ways beginners can get started on YouTube without needing fancy equipment, studio lights, or the courage to sit in front of a camera. So, if the thought of being on camera makes you break into a nervous sweat, or if you simply want to stay mysterious, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share 5 of the best faceless YouTube channel ideas for beginners, and I'll also break down why they work, how you can start, and a few hidden tips most people never talk about. Stick around till the end, because idea number 5 is something almost nobody does, and it could be your secret weapon. Let's start with one of the easiest, and honestly, most fun ideas. Storytelling. People love listening to stories. Whether it's creepy horror tales, inspiring success stories, or even funny real-life experiences, there's a huge demand for storytelling content. And here's the best part. You don't need to be on camera. You just need your voice. Or if you don't want to use your own voice, there are high-quality AI voice tools out there that can narrate for you. Add some background music, pair it with stock videos or simple animations, and boom, you have a professional-looking video without ever showing your face. Think about channels that tell scary stories to fall asleep to, or life lessons in 5 minutes. These videos rack up millions of views because they give people something emotional, relatable, or entertaining. And you don't even need to write your own stories. You can find free public domain stories, myths, or user-submitted content. Pro tip: pick a theme, like horror, funny stories, or motivational, and stick with it. Consistency builds your audience much faster. Now, this one is tricky but extremely popular: compilations. People love top 10 lists, funniest clips, or best of videos. Think about it. You've probably binged a bunch of funniest TikTok moments or best movie scenes of all time at some point. With compilations, you can create videos that bring together content around a certain theme. The key is to do it right. You can't just rip off copyrighted clips. That's a fast way to get demonetized. Instead, use royalty-free content, fair use commentary, or clips you've got permission to use. For example, you could make the top 10 motivational speeches, where you add your own narration and insights. Or best life hacks on the internet with voiceover commentary. That little twist makes it original and keeps YouTube happy. Pro tip: always add your own spin, your voice, your captions, or your style. That way, people don't just watch the clips, they watch your version of them. This is one of the safest bets on YouTube: teaching people something. You don't need a PhD or a chalkboard behind you. All you need is knowledge in one area and a way to explain it simply. For example, faceless tutorial channels teach software tips, language learning hacks, productivity tricks, or even fun facts about history. And here's why this works. When people want to learn, they don't care about your face, they care about the information. A simple screen recording, some clear voice narration, and you've got a valuable video. Imagine a channel that teaches Excel tips for beginners, or how to edit photos like a pro. Millions of people search for these every month, and because tutorials solve problems, they tend to attract loyal subscribers. Pro tip: focus on solving small, specific problems. A video like how to crop a picture in Canva might sound too simple, but trust me, people search for it. The simpler and clearer, the better. Now, here's one that might surprise you: relaxation content. There are entire channels dedicated to sounds of rain, coffee shop ambiance, fireplace crackling, or even spaceship background noise. Sounds crazy, but people play these videos for hours while studying, sleeping, or working. The best part? You don't even need to record your own sounds. You can find royalty-free audio and pair it with looping video or images. It's extremely beginner-friendly, and some of these channels pull in millions of views without ever uploading a single spoken word. Think about it. While you're asleep, your channel could literally be earning views because people are using it to fall asleep. That's passive in the truest sense. Pro tip: make your thumbnails cozy and appealing. A picture of a rainy window with the title, "Rain Sounds for Sleep, 3 hours," works way better than something complicated. Here's the final one, and honestly, one of the most powerful. Faceless commentary. People love opinions. They want to hear someone break down trending topics, internet drama, or even deep dives into niche subjects. The beauty is, you don't need to show your face. Just record your voice, add images, memes, or clips, and let your thoughts do the talking. For example, channels that explain internet mysteries, review movies, or analyze sports games without showing a single person on screen are blowing up right now. And here's why this is so effective. You become a voice that people trust. Your personality shines through your words, not your appearance. It's faceless, but not soulless. Pro tip: don't be afraid to add humor or your unique perspective. People subscribe to you as much as the topic. So there you have it, 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas that anyone can start, even with zero experience. To recap, storytelling and narration for emotion and entertainment compilations with your own twist. Educational tutorials to teach and solve problems. Relaxation and ambience for passive, long watch time content. Commentary and opinions to build a personality-driven brand without a face. The truth is, being faceless doesn't mean being voiceless. In fact, it's often easier to stand out when people are curious about the person behind the screen. So if you've been waiting to start a YouTube channel because you don't want to show your face, consider this your green light. Pick one idea, take action, and remember, every big channel started with just one video. Now, I've got a question for you. If you had to pick one of these 5 faceless channel ideas to start today, which one would it be? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with that one friend who keeps saying they want to start YouTube someday. Maybe today is their day.